Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to track Facebook and Instagram ads, conversions and retargeting using Metapixel, here is the key reality in 2026. Hostinger Websites Builder doesn't support full Metapixel injection like WordPress, okay? But you can still integrate Metapixel correctly using the supported and reliable method. Most people fail because they try to paste the pixel code in random places, but we will not. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Hostinger Website Builder with Metapixel in 2026 the right way. So first thing first, create a Metapixel. So this is required. Okay, so go to Meta Business Manager, open Events Manager, click Connect Data Sources, choose Web and then Metapixel and name your pixel and copy your pixel ID. You need the pixel ID, not just for the full script, okay? So check if Hostinger has native Metapixel field. So log into Hostinger HPanel, go to website, then tap edit websites. So you have to have an account that is upgraded. Okay, so open website settings or integrations. If you see Metapixel field, paste your pixel ID, tap save and publish. This is the best and cleanest method. Availability depends on plan and region. Okay, so go to in Meta Events Manager, for example, to verify that go to test events, enter your website URL, open sites in incognito and browse pages. If you see page view events, so it's done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.